The Dermatology Laser and Vein Center specializes in new technologies and procedures to help reduce the unwanted effects of aging. Harvard MD graduate Dr. Shalini Gupta continues to offer the latest techniques in skincare and keeping you young. Exciting technologies and procedures like Smart Lipo.
We're really excited to have the Smart Lipo technology in our office. It's a huge advance over tumescent liposuction in terms of the patient having less recovery time, less bruising. It also melts the fat, of course, and then it tightens the skin at the same time. Patients can return to normal activities much faster. It allows them to get the skin tightening benefit and cellulite reduction at the same time that it removes the fat. So patients are really opting to go more with this type of technology because of all the extras they get over tumescent liposuction. When we do liposuction, we are actually destroying the fat cells, and that's true for any form of liposuction, including the Smart Lipo. With Smart Lipo, we use a very thin cannula. It's the size of a thin spaghetti, literally, with a tiny light at the end, and we thread this little cannula in and out of the skin, just like playing a violin, no harsh movements, very different procedurally than the general tumescent liposuction that most people have heard about. Using this thinner cannula, we actually don't get much bruising. Secondly, of course, it's melting the fat very nicely and gently. We get a more uniform treatment. It also treats cellulite. After the procedure, pretty much the patient can go back to their normal activities after a few days. We are always on the search for what's new, what will give us great results with less recovery time. So it is exciting to have this new technique now. It's a procedure that is new to the United States. It's called collagen induction therapy. It's a non-laser technology that we can use now for tightening the skin and for improving wrinkles, sun damage. It also helps tremendously with scarring, such as acne scars, and even stretch marks, actually, we can improve with this new technology. Collagen is what makes up the majority of what we call the dermal layer of the skin, which is the main area of the skin that provides it its support and its luster. And when that collagen begins to break down, the skin becomes more wrinkled, loose. So anything we can do to remodel, to refresh that collagen is going to make a big improvement in the skin. It's definitely a very flexible option for skin rejuvenation, in that we can use it in any part of the body, not just the face, but even, let's say, the stomach, where there may be some loose skin after having a child. We can go ahead and use this to tighten up the skin non-surgically. Patients can expect very minimal recovery time. Usually there is some bruising, a little bit of swelling. The results are remarkable. Some of it is immediate, but the skin continues to improve over a course of 3 to 6 months even afterwards.
Call the Dermatology Laser and Vein Center to schedule an appointment and visit their website at cincinnatiSkinandLaser.com.